You've probably tried peanut butter, cheese, or even chocolate on your mouse traps, only to find them untouched the next morning. Here's something no product page tells you. The real issue isn't just the trap, it's whether the bait actually stays put and smells strong enough to pull them in. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 baits that actually work with your traps, not just what looks good online. Product number 1: Victor Metal Pedal Snap Traps 12-pack. Let's start with a classic. The Victor M150-12 wooden snap traps with metal pedals. These aren't new, they've been around for over 120 years, and that's exactly why they're still trusted by pest control pros. What caught my eye was the sustainably sourced FSC wood and the precision trigger system that snaps shut with serious force. Here's why this matters for you. Mice are smart and wary of new objects. But these traps use a wide metal pedal that holds bait securely, so when a mouse steps to nibble, the bar drops instantly. The wood base gives it weight and stability so it won't tip over mid-snap. With over 20,000 sold last month, it's clear people still rely on this old-school design because it just works. Now some people complain that the wooden base can absorb odors over time, making reusing them less hygienic. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with a bad infestation, you'll likely go through several traps anyway. And honestly, swapping them out after each catch is safer and cleaner than trying to sanitize old wood. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, reusable traps that deliver instant results without chemicals. Skip this one if you're squeamish about handling dead mice or prefer no-touch cleanup. For under $1.30 per trap, it's hard to beat the value. Product number 2: Feek Plastic No-Touch Mouse Traps 6-pack. Now if the idea of touching a dead mouse grosses you out, the Feek M016 pack might be your answer. These plastic traps use a clever no-touch design. You never have to handle the rodent directly. Priced at $11.79 for 6, they're slightly pricier per unit, but offer peace of mind for families with kids or pets. That means even the tiniest mouse can't sneak a bite without setting it off. The bait cup keeps food contained, so scent doesn't fade quickly, and the enclosed chamber hides the catch until disposal. Over 10,000 sold last month shows people are willing to pay extra for safety and cleanliness. The downside: some users say the plastic feels flimsy, and in rare cases, strong mice have bent the spring mechanism. Here's the thing though, for average house mice, not large rats, these hold up fine. Just avoid placing them where heavy objects might fall on them. This is perfect for you if you want sanitary, pet-safe traps with minimal cleanup. Skip this if you're dealing with a heavy infestation. You'll burn through 6 traps fast. Still, for light to moderate use, it's a smart upgrade from traditional snap traps. Product number 3: LULUCATCH Pre-Baited Glue Traps 12-pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for catching multiple pests, not just mice. The LULUCATCH 12-pack sticky traps come pre-baited with peanut butter scent, which sounds gimmicky until you realize how much mice love that smell. The non-toxic super glue holds firm even in cold garages or basements, and because it's already scented, you don't have to worry about bait drying out or falling off. Just place them along walls, under sinks, or near droppings and let the glue do the work. These also catch roaches, spiders, and ants, so they're great for general pest control. Now the big complaint: glue traps are controversial because they don't kill instantly. Mice can suffer for hours. If animal welfare is a concern, this isn't for you. But if you need a quick, chemical-free way to monitor and reduce activity before calling an exterminator, these are brutally effective. This is perfect for you if you want cheap, ready-to-use traps that catch everything and don't mind the ethical trade-off. Skip this if you're against live capture methods or have pets that might step on them. Product number 4: Tomcat Glue Traps with Eugenol 6-pack. Now if LULUCATCH's glue traps worked but you want something even stickier, literally, the Tomcat version with Eugenol is worth a look. Eugenol is a natural compound that boosts adhesion, meaning once a mouse touches it, there's no escape. At $7.11 for 6 traps, it's the cheapest per unit here. They're pesticide-free and come ready to use. No bait needed, though adding a dab of peanut butter helps. Place them along baseboards or behind appliances where mice travel. The flaw: like all glue traps, they raise ethical concerns. Also, in very warm rooms, the glue can soften and lose effectiveness. Here's the thing though, if you store them properly and use them in climate-controlled areas, they work exactly as intended. Just know what you're signing up for. This is perfect for you if you want maximum stickiness at a low price and don't mind the method. Skip this if you prefer humane or instant kill options, or if you live in a hot garage without AC. Product number 5, Victor Plastic Pedal Snap Traps 12-pack. Finally, we've got another Victor, but this time with a plastic pedal instead of metal. The M03512 costs $16.60 for 12 traps and is nearly identical to the first Victor, except the trigger mechanism is plastic. Why does that matter? Plastic pedals are less likely to rust outdoors and won't pinch fingers as easily during setup. The precision trigger ensures reliability, and like its metal pedal cousin, it's reusable. With nearly 9,000 sold last month, it's clear people appreciate the slight design upgrade, especially for outdoor or damp areas like sheds or basements. Some users note the plastic pedal feels less solid than metal and can wear down over repeated use. Here's the thing though, for indoor use or occasional outdoor placement, it holds up just fine. And the reduced rust risk makes it a smarter long-term investment if moisture is a factor. This is perfect for you if you want the trusted Victor performance with slightly better weather resistance. Skip this if you're only using traps indoors and want the toughest pedal possible. At just over $1.38 per trap, it's still a solid deal. So which bait actually works best? It depends. For instant kills and reusability, go with either Victor trap, metal pedal for max durability, plastic for moisture resistance. If you hate touching mice, Feek's no-touch design wins. For monitoring or multi-pest control, LULUCATCH or Tomcat glue traps get the job done fast, just know the trade-offs. Remember, the best bait isn't always the fanciest. It's the one that stays put, smells strong, and works with your trap type. Thanks for watching, and good luck catching those mice.